Mic check 1 2. Okay, so today we are in the city of Stanton, which is way out in BFE from where we're located. We're doing a job for a sister company. So what we're looking at is furniture and appliances, but we're not taking the appliances or the mattresses. It looks like all the mattresses have been swooped up. So we're basically going to take what we can fit. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to fit all of this, but we will do our darndest. Going. Oh, this fucking reeks like piss. Oh. I need some coffee, some trusty coffee. So we're moving right along. Turns out it's going to be a little more than one load. Well, not a little, a lot. So we're working with 9 sofas and 6 recliners. Fucking mold. Sweet. Mold and urine. How are you? Good, good. Little smoke break?
Yeah.
So I might be able to get this in on a second load. My Tetra skills are impeccable. Let's try to get as much as we can on this load though. All right, so this is the first load. I'll come back for, let's see. We got this sofa. These are cheaply made sofas, so they're pretty light. And we got this bad boy, so that's 1, 2. Oh, this one. When the appliance guys come and grab all these refrigerators, and I can just flip this fucking sofa over and come grab the rest.